Hey everybody, this is John Wright with Keller Cityview. I'm in front of a home that will be conducting an open house here this Thursday, December the 23rd, from 4 until 6 p.m. at 9175 Timber Ranch in the Tezel Oaks subdivision. This home sits at the top of the hill and is at the end of the cul-de-sac in a fantastic location in a mature neighborhood. This home is only 20 years young and is available for immediate occupancy as quickly as you can get your loan clear to close. Let's go take a look inside. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a half bath. You walk inside to the foyer area. You have a living dining room combination. Separate dining area, and then you have a nice kitchen area with plenty of counter space. Perfect for your food preparation and entertaining. You have a very, very large breakfast area that overlooks your fenced backyard and a very large family room right off of the kitchen. There's a half bath, close enough to the kitchen area, but not too close, if you know what I mean. And the laundry room and mudroom that is between the family room and the garage. And it is a 2-car garage. Now, next to the stairs is a really, really large storage area / coat closet. And there is a coat closet in the front for gas. Let's go take a look upstairs. This home faces south, so there's lots of natural light coming in throughout the day. You walk up the stairs, immediately you're greeted by a loft area. So perfect if you have young kids, want to have a play area, a second family room or recreation room, and that loft area then takes you right into the master bedroom that has the Trey ceilings, very nice large master bath, and a very large master closet for a home that was built 20 years ago. There are 2 other bedrooms up here on this level as well, and they are both generous in size at 13 by 12. And there is a full bathroom on this level as well, apart from the master bath. So let's take a quick look outside and see this beautiful backyard. As I mentioned, it is fenced completely around with a 6-foot privacy fence. It's got plenty of shade with the trees here in the backyard. And lots of area to roam and have fun for children or dogs. So this property, as I said, is going to be open on Thursday, December the 23rd from 4 to 6 p.m. And you might want to know, well, why are you doing an open house the week of Christmas? Well, maybe for Christmas, what you really need is a home. And this is a great home priced at $305,000. New to the market and available now. So if you need to move, and my motto is move at the speed of Wright. So if you need to move at the speed of Wright, give me a call at 773-1888. My name is John Wright. I'm with Keller Cityview. I'd love to help you make this your home. You can also go to speedofwright.kw.com. That's speedofwright.kw.com. And I'll look forward to helping you. And I hope to see you this Thursday from 4 to 6 p.m. I look forward to helping you move at the speed of Wright.